Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy and cute knit corset top from a cardigan. So if you're interested in seeing how I make it, please keep watching. The first thing I'm going to do is cut off the top portion of the cardigan. So here I'm just pinning it down to make sure everything is nice and straight. And I'm going to take my fabric scissors, which are very important to use to have a straight edge, and just cut across the top. Taking the sleeve from the top edge, I'm going to cut about 7 inches off. Once I do that, I'm going to lay it flat and cut 2 strips that will be the boning cases for my underwire. Once my strips are cut, I'm going to fold them right sides together and do a straight stitch down. Alright, so going back to the cardigan, I'm going to use a bra that fits me well and kind of use the wiring that's already in it as a guide of where to place my wiring. So I'm just pinning down the areas where the wiring will meet, and yeah, pretty much it. Alright, so I'm going to take this underwire that I got from Amazon. I'll link it in the description box. And I'm just going to line it up with my pins. And right here is where I realized I made a mistake. And I should have flipped it and had the longer piece going towards the middle and then the shorter side on the edge. So just go ahead and fix that, and yeah, it'll turn out perfectly. So now I'm just going to insert the wire into my boning and pin it in the area where I will be sewing down. Make sure you sew and close the end of your boning so nothing pokes out later on while you're wearing it. After pinning, I'm just going to cut out the inside of those pinned areas, making sure I leave room so that I'm able to fold over when I sew. So make sure you do that. Also make sure your boning has enough room for you to sew the sides of. And yep, we're going to take it to the sewing machine and sew it up. Be very careful when sewing. Right here I broke my needle, but luckily I had another one. Alright, so once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and fold over the side areas and do a straight stitch down. Then I'm going to try her on and remove any excess fabric and do a straight stitch down. Here's the finished result. It's very cute. It's a nice way to just upgrade your casual everyday look. And yeah, I love it so much. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.